Spoiler alert, I came home from work feeling not too swoofed, and I ate extra calories of meat, and I didn't track. So just hang on and see what all I ate. Good morning. Y'all, I looked at my thing this morning, my text, it says there's a boil water order. I'm like, corn flabbit. It's a precautionary though. So I don't know if it means I don't know what it means. Anyway, I got to look into it, but I just saw that on my text this morning. I had a hard time sleeping last night. We had storms going on. And Sammy, he don't like storms. Callie don't like storms. So I drugged everybody before we went to bed. And Callie always sleeps out in my back porch area. And I left the dog door open today. I'm hoping that Callie doesn't bark because it's supposed to be a rainy day. And I'm like, you know what? In case one of them didn't go out and wee-wee this morning, even though they all ran out. Yeah, I just left it open. So I have the alarm on. So I'll get alerts. Like right now, there's one that says motion detected at your back porch. So at least I'll know. So anyway, well, that's all I know. I had a rough sleep. But that's all right. It's a new day. Today's Thursday. It's pool day for me. Oh, and for you, it's Saturday. If you're watching the day that this... Hey, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to get my videos, there's a little bell that you push and it says notify. And it's because like I do that with my church and some of y'all's channels. It tells me whenever a video gets put up. And so I like to know. I like to be in the know. So if you want to be in the know, you could do that too. Anyway, yeah, that's what I know. So I got a jacket on, but I got a short sleeve shirt on. I don't know. It's what I was feeling this morning. Sometimes I just feel what I feel and it don't match what's going on outside. But it ain't cold out here. It's just rainy. So, okay, bye. Oh yeah, something I didn't say. I made up my stuff for lunch today, but man, last night, like I said, I felt just the rain and stuff. So I brought some, it says seasoned chicken broth. So there's bits of seasoning, bits of chunks of chicken. So down in there. So I brought that. And then I even brought my own mug. So I brought my mug. And I brought a strawberry lemon burst for later. Let me show you what else I brought. I brought that because I just keep that in there. But I haven't needed it lately. And then I brought that because I did have to use this last night. It's that throat spray, when your throat gets sore. Because I was doing a lot of coughing last night. But anyway, okay, love y'all. Bye. Y'all, this lack of winter is kicking my hiney. Oh, tell him what's what, girl. Anyway, I need the cold weather back. Or really hot weather. Oh, it's going to be a long spring. Callie, it's gonna be a long spring if this is what spring's gonna be like. Anyway, I hate weather changing. I'm home, achy, fevery, and yeah, I'll see y'all. I drank some broth at work. My team always knows when I'm sick. I'm sick if I'm drinking broth, so I was drinking broth. So I'm gonna close my eyes. I don't even know what time it is. Hang on. I think it's like around 9:30. Let's just say 9:30. So I drank some broth and my coffee. And even after my coffee, I'm ready to lay down. Boy, get yourself settled. Okay, I guess that's where he's going to lay. Because sister done fussed at him. So, all right. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Dang weather just makes me so mad. I mean, it looks pretty. And I've been outside, this week. And it felt nice. But anyway, we ain't going to whine about it. We're just going to live with it. Because that's all we can do, right? Whining ain't going to fix nothing. So, I'm hungry. I don't know if you all ever do this, but whenever I feel kind of puny, not like that, but when I feel kind of sickly, I'm always more hungry. And I noticed yesterday I was more hungry, but I didn't eat more, but I'm going to today. We're going to track it. I'm not tracking my broth. I don't really know how because it's homemade broth. So this is 1 pound. For whatever reason, last night I woke up at midnight, and I know why I did that. I woke up at midnight, and I was like, I'm going to pull out some broth for tomorrow's Terri, because I knew I wasn't feeling too great. So I took it to work. I showed y'all this morning. And but I also for whatever reason. Pulled out a couple things of ground meat. This one is ground beef and ground pork, both 80-20. So what's going on here? Hold up. All right. My little Walmart, it's the Walmart market. And it, come on. And it has a little 1 pound package of, like I said, it's 80-20 ground beef and pork. So I'm like, that sounds kind of good. So in the middle of the night, I pulled one out. Pulled that out. 2 different broths. They were making fun of me about my broth today because it was chunky. And then I pulled out a 73% ground beef. I don't know why Midnight Terri does what she did, but she did. So I just took that pound of the pork and beef and mushed it out into a patty. I just put it all in this bowl and then I seasoned it up. I don't know how much of it I'm going to eat. I might eat all of it. I might not eat all of it. I probably will eat all of it. I'll probably say 1 bite for the pack. 1 bite each. But anyway, so yeah, when I feel kind of, I definitely tend to eat more. I get more hungry. I don't know. But anyway, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next thing. So, today's your Saturday. Ooh, today, hopefully, I'm all better, and I'm working with my buddy today. Working at their house. So, all right, I love y'all. Don't worry, I'll be just fine. This is just my norm. Usually, it happens in the spring, though. But since we ain't had a real winter, my body's revolting. Okay, bye. Y'all, it hurts my heart to say this. It's just painful to say this. I'm ready for winter again. I know, hear me out. When it's all ice cold, snowy, did y'all notice I was fine? I was fine. And when it's hotter than blue blazes, 11 degrees out there, I'm miserable. And I whine about it. But you don't hear it. This old back and forth, nice, cold. It's for the birds. Anyway, okay, I'm done whining. Listen, I ain't got macros today. I had, since we got together last, I had a meat stick. I've had 2 cups of like a fatty broth. I don't even know how to chart that. I don't even know how to, plug that into my tracker. And I don't know how much of this I'm going to eat. This is a pound of 73% ground beef. Look at all that juice in there. And I don't know if I'm going to finish it. I don't know what I'm going to do. And I got my creamy. So I know I'm probably going to poop myself silly with all this rendered fat, but it'd be alright. So let's try it. It's got the that bacon salt you sent me, and a bunch of other seasonings. So anyway, I think I seasoned it a little too much, but at first I couldn't tell. We'll see. Let me stir it up a little bit better. But anyway, so this is what I'm going to have for supper. And that's better. Stirring it up helps. So yeah, this is my supper. Like I said, I just took a couple ibuprofen. It's like a dang soup. I hate soup because I'm just old crotchety old thing, ain't I? Well, it's true. I hate soup because it runs down my chin. I ain't got a lick of sense. I ain't never claimed to have a lick of sense. That, and this is what's going to end my day perfect. I don't care how crummy I feel. This right here, y'all. This right here. It's my Elvis creamy. Banana and chocolate and peanut butter. talking to my mama today, and I was talking about how I call this the Elvis. And she's like, what? I was like, well, because Elvis liked peanut butter sandwiches with bananas. She's like, oh, yeah. I told y'all my dad met Elvis one time at a gas station. That was a big old chunk of seasoning. I knew it got in there, but I thought it broke up. I was pouring out my seasoning and a chunk fell in. Yeah, I got... Oh. It was garlic parmesan. Listen, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a better day. I got a work meeting I have to go to tomorrow. Otherwise, I might not go tomorrow. But I have to give just like a little 1 hour training. Closer to 30 minutes. Depends on how much caffeine I have. So, anyway, that'll be tomorrow. I love y'all. Don't worry. This is what happens to me. Weather back and forth. I told y'all Saturday I had my window open. I'd be whining about later in the week. Didn't I tell you all that? Go back to my videos. That came out on Monday. You'll see. I foretold this. It's all right. I love you all. Hey, I love you and I'm hot. I love you and Jesus loves you. And thanks for coming along on this journey. I gained 20 pounds. And this is my series. I haven't said this in so long, I forgot what I was supposed to say. This is my series of when the weight comes back. Real maintenance for real people, one day at a time. I did it. Good job. Good job, Terri. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.